My first day at Kasturiram.
So on the first day of my college, my heart was hammering in my chest.
I still remember I was very nervous going to a very new place all alone, but the teachers here were so welcoming and so supportive.
आप कॉलेज लाइफ एक बार तो जरूर जियो, दो बार जीना वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है.
When I entered Kasturi Ram College of Higher Education, it was the day I realized it will be my first step for my bright future.
It was like it had a lot of mixed emotions. I was happy with the fact that okay, I have entered into a new phase of my life.
So on the first day of my college, after my orientation program, I get to know few fellow mates of mine. Some were elder to me, some were younger to me, and they all came from different walks of life with different stories.
ज़्यादा नर्वस था, एक नई जगह जा रहा था, तो बहुत कुछ मैंने वहाँ पे देखा कि कैसे लोग बात कर रहे एक दूसरे से, बहुत कुछ सीखा.
Being my first day, I was very nervous. But as soon as I went to college, I felt that I was a part of Kasturiram College because the teachers were so welcoming that they never made me feel as if I was an outsider or it was my first day.
It was a mixed emotion of excitement and nervousness, of course, but the welcoming teachers and the interactive sessions eased things out.
मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा दिन था यार फर्स्ट डे मेरे कॉलेज का, क्योंकि मेरे को उस दिन मेरे नए दोस्त मिले, मेरे को एक नई लाइफ मिली.
My first event at Kasturi Ram College was when I participated in the Freshers competition. It was a whole lot of experience and learning.
Now, talking about my first event at Kasturiram College of Higher Education was hosting the Teachers' Day. It was a learning experience for me.
I organized our first event, that was Teachers' Day. I was the part of that management team. So it felt really nice and it gave us a lot of exposure. It gave us a very nice memory.
My first event here in KICHE was the Freshers Party. I participated and got the title of Miss Best Smile 2K17 and that was really amazing.
मेरा पहला इवेंट एज टीचर्स डे था एंड मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में था. तो ये सीन ये था कि एक्चुअली मैंने इस कॉलेज से पहले मैंने प्रोफेशनल कोर्स कर रखा फोटोग्राफी का. तो मेरे को टीचर्स ने बोला कि क्यों ना तुम टीचर्स डे पे फोटोग्राफी करो, तो हमें भी अच्छी फोटोज मिल जाएगी, हमें पता भी चल जाएगा कि तुम्हारी फोटोग्राफी स्किल्स कैसी हैं. फॉर मी जो मेरा ये टीचर्स डे का इवेंट था मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा इवेंट रहा था. मैं इतना अच्छा लगा था कि यार कि बस.
The first event I took part was a group dance performance by our class students for the Freshers' Day and I really enjoyed that day.
माय फर्स्ट अवार्ड एट कस्तूरीराम, ये तो मैं कभी भूल ही नहीं सकता.
Actually, I haven't got any award, but yeah, I would like to say as an award I got is the teaching given by our faculty for our academics as well as our lives. My first award was when I was felicitated for my performance in the academics. Apart from this, I received many awards for the writing and the speaking competitions held by my college.
मेरा पहला अवार्ड जो कि मुझे फ्रेशर्स में मिला था, द बेस्ट पर्सनैलिटी अवार्ड, और बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ था मुझे कि मेरे को बेस्ट पर्सनैलिटी अवार्ड मिला, क्योंकि उसमें हमारी इतनी मेहनत थी. हमने जो डांस प्रैक्टिस, जो हमने वॉक जो हमने प्रैक्टिस करी थी, जो भी हमने स्पीच हमने जो प्रैक्टिस करी, मैं बहुत खुश हुआ था कि मुझे बेस्ट पर्सनैलिटी का अवार्ड मिला.
So after 10 to 15 days of the commencement of my program, our first official event took place. That was a thali decoration competition which was being held on the occasion of Janmashtami. I remember very vividly, the first time I met my fellow mates, my team members, we gelled up very quickly. We talked about stuff, about our program, about our previous college, and simultaneously we were decorating our thali. And the repercussions of a friendly chat was that we secured the first position.
The first award at Kasturiram College of Higher Education was that I secured the second position in poster making competition that was on the theme of International Yoga Day.
सब चीज़ ही पसंद है यार, ऐसी कोई चीज़ ही नहीं हो जो मुझे पसंद ना हो.
The best thing about my college is its faculty members. They are very supportive and ready to help you at any moment.
One thing that I really like and I really appreciate about my college is that we are valued for who we are
and not for who we are expected to be.
Its hygienic and tidy infrastructure, along with understanding and welcoming teachers.
One thing that I totally love about my college is that it's the people and not the place.
बेस्ट चीज़ मुझे अपने कॉलेज से मिली है, या जो अभी तक बेस्ट चीज़ है मेरे लिए, वो है मेरे दोस्त। वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेरी लाइफ का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, और मैं मतलब कि यही चाहूँगा कि वो हमेशा मेरे दोस्त रहें।
The placement at KRCHE is a blessing for all students, as many companies come to reward the talented ones. Even my talent and capabilities are awarded by such a reputed company, that is AIMS Private Limited.
I must say, Kasturi Ram College is totally on to the point. We have a very effective placement cell taking care of it. Apart from this, we have high package offering companies coming our way.
Our internships are generally held in schools, and Kasturi Ram College is affiliated with some of the best and renowned schools in Delhi and NCR, namely SD Public School, Maharaja Agrawal School, Kasturi Ram School, and many others.
They have collaboration with very reputed organizations.
And if I tell you about the placements and internships here at KRCHE, KRCHE has tie-ups with the renowned organizations like Axis Bank, IBM Concentrix, and they do offer good packages. Hence, our placement cell helps you a lot to crack these interviews.
यार ये लॉकडाउन क्यों ही हो गया यार।
First, I was always waiting for the weekends, but as the college is going to get over, then I realized that now I really want to continue my every day of my college.
Yes, I miss my college a lot, क्योंकि मेरे कॉलेज में मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ मैं मतलब जिनसे मैं अभी कोरोना की वजह से, क्वारंटाइन की वजह से मिल नहीं पा रहा हूँ।
I want to go to college. I miss my college, my teachers, my friends, the lectures, me cribbing about so much homework.
I miss my college a lot every day. I just cannot wait to rejoin my college and meet my teachers and friends.